All right, so this is the practice for, this is the key for practice 3. First thing it's want us to graph the following system. So now I have two inequalities that I need to graph on the same set of axes and label the solution set S. Okay, so when we do these, we're going to deal with one at a time. So I'm going to start with this guy right here. Y is greater than negative x plus 2. I'm happy because this is already in y equals mx plus b form. So my y-intercept is going to be 0, 2. And my slope, notice there's no number in front of x, just a negative sign. That means my slope is negative 1, and we always write that as a fraction. So that's going to be down 1 and to the right 1. Okay, so I'm going to do this one in red. So 0, 2 is my y-intercept. That's right there. And then my slope is down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. And then I want you to notice that this guy is dashed. This is getting confusing. Too many arrows. I don't need all these arrows. Let's just note that this one is dashed. Okay? All right, so that means that now I can take my ruler and I can draw my dashed line. Okay? And now it's very important that I label, since there's going to be more than one graph on here. Okay, let's figure out which way to shade. So I'm going to test 0, 0. So y is greater than negative x plus 2. Plug in. 0 is greater than 2. That's false. Okay, so we are going to be shading. Here's the point 0, 0. We're going to be shading the other side. So we're going to shade this side. Okay, so this one is done. All right, so let's deal with the next one. And we will do the next one in blue. So again, the next one we notice is already in y equals mx plus b form. So my y-intercept is 0, 5. And my slope is 2/3, which tells me to go up 2 and right 3. So I'm going to start at 0, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this tells me to go up 2 and right 3, up 2 and right 3. And I notice that this one has less than or equal to. So that means that this guy is going to be solid. So now I take my ruler and I'm going to draw a solid line. This is y is less than or equal to 2/3 x plus 5. And now I'm going to test 0, 0. So I've got y is less than or equal to 2/3 x plus 5. 0 is less than or equal to 2/3 times 0 plus 5. 0 is less than or equal to 5. That's true. So here is my point that we say is in the solution set. So I need to shade this side. And to find the solution set, because it says label the solution set S, remember the solution set is where they cross. So that's going to be all this right here. That's S. Okay. Next question. Which point is a solution for the system inequality shown on the accompanied graph? All right, let's put these 4 points on the graph. So I'll do this one in red, I'll do this one in blue, I'll do this one in green, and I'll do this one in yellow. All right, here we go. Let's plot negative 4, 1. Remember that the first number is on the x-axis, and the second number is on the y-axis. So negative 4, 1, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and up, and sorry, down 1, -1. So here is -4, -1. 2, 3, I'm going to go right 2 and up 3. So there's the point 2, 3. 1, 1, I'm going to go right 1 and up 1. There's 1, 1. And then -2, 2 is going to be left 2 and up 2. Okay. So which of these is in the solution set? I know it's easy to see, right? Only the red one is in the solution set. Let's look at these other ones though. The yellow one is on the dotted line. Remember that points that are on dotted lines are not solutions. These 2 points are on, so they are solutions for the solid line, but they're not solutions to the dotted line. So the only one that's definitely in the solution area is this first one. So choice 1 is going to be our correct. That's that.